We're going to start this week with a listen and learn. Some sentences are long and some sentences are short. I will say a sentence and you will jump for once for each word. I sing. This sentence has 2 words, so you jumped 2 times. Before I say the next sentence, I want you to turn around so you can't see the words in the sentence. You'll have to use your listening ears very carefully, so turn around and listen. The dog ran. How many times did you jump? Now turn back and see. Did you jump 3 times? It is hot. How many times did you jump? Did you say 3? Turn around again. We sleep. How many words do you hear? If you said 2, you are correct. She sits here. How many words did you hear? Turn around for one more sentence. The sun is in the sky. How many words did you hear that time? If you said 5, you're a word-finding rock star. Our new word for this week is the. Say the word with me. The. Spell the word with me. T-H-E. The. Read the word with me. The duck is cute. This is the end of our lesson. Now go finish the rest of your seesaw. Thank you for watching.